Hello dear students, welcome to our channel Mechanical Engineering Made Simple. So there was a gap of 1 or 2 days so due to some hectic work. So let us today see how to find out the packing efficiency or packing factor for simple cubic structure, that is SCC structure. So here in the diagram we can see that there are 8 atoms in the 8 corners. Okay. So let us take the front face. You can see that. So the lattice parameter is equal to the distance between the atoms is equal to A, and we can see that 4 sectors are there, okay, which are contributing to the whole unit cell. Okay, so the radius of the atom is equal to R, let us say. So that side of the this unit cell is equal to how much? R plus R, that is equal to 2R. So 2R is equal to A in case of your simple cubic structure. So now let us see how to find out the packing factor for this particular structure. So we have defined packing factor is equal to volume of atoms in the unit cell by the volume of the unit cell. But we have seen that how many atoms are there in the simple cubic structure. So we have seen that there is one atom in the unit cell because there are 8 corners and each corner is going to be contributed by 1/8 of the atom. 1/8 into 8 is equal to 1, that is equal to 1 atom for the entire unit cell. So that means 1 is the number of atoms in the unit cell into the volume of each atom. Let us see that, and then by the volume of the unit cell. So packing factor is defined as the volume of atoms in the unit cell by volume of the unit cell. So here A is the length of each side of the cube or lattice parameter, is also called lattice parameter, the distance between the atoms, and R is the atomic radius. So we can see that so 2 radii, that means side of the we have seen that 2R is equal to A. Okay, so because it's a square, so 2R is equal to A, that gives me R is equal to A by 2. So volume of the atoms in the unit cell, there is only one atom. So what is the volume of only one atom in the unit cell? So atom is considered to be the shape of sphere. So it will be, what is the volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Yes or no? Because there are number of atoms is equal to 1. So the total volume of the atoms in the unit cell, that is equal to 1 into the volume of the atom, that is 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Just now we have seen that 4 by 3 pi into r is equal to A by 2 because 2r is equal to A, and hence r is equal to A by 2. Substituting that, I will get 4 pi by 3 into A cube by 8. So cancelling that whatever that goes. So pi A cube by 6 I am going to get. So what is the volume of the cell, volume of the unit cell? So volume of a cube is equal to, you know that, A cube. Yes or no? A into A into A. So volume of the unit cell is equal to A cube. So defining, we have already seen that academic packing factor is equal to volume of number of atoms in the unit cell by volume of unit cell. So that gives me pi A cube by 6 by A cube. So how much it is going to come? Pi by 6. So substituting the value of 22 by 7 and 22 by 42, it will come out. So 22 by 42 is equal to approximately 0.52. Or if you are mentioning in terms of the efficiency or packing efficiency, it is 52%. Okay, so packing factor is 0.52 and packing efficiency is equal to 0.52%. That means 0.52 into 100. Okay boys, so today we have seen the basic structure, simple cubic structure, for which we have derived the packing efficiency or packing factor. Packing factor is equal to 0.52 and packing efficiency is equal to 0.52 into 100, that is 52%. So please remember this formula. This is going to be very, very important from all your competitive examinations point of view, and we have seen the derivation, how to derive the packing efficiency is equal to 0.52 for simple cubic structure in this video. Dear boys, so I will be making so many videos for your competitive examinations. In the next video, we are going to see the packing factor or packing efficiency for BCC structure, body cubic center structure. Okay, in the BCC structure, we have seen that there are 2 atoms in the unit cell. One is the body, and 8 corner atoms contribute 8 into 1 by 8, that is 1. So 1 plus 1, total number of atoms is equal to 2. So similarly, on the similar lines, we are going to see the derivation for the packing factor or packing efficiency in case of BCC structure in the next video. So boys and students, dear students, so if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And I have given a playlist in which I have made number of videos are available on my channel, my YouTube channel, Mechanical Engineering Made Simple. Definitely we are going to make mechanical engineering very simple, and there are a number of videos for your all competitive examinations. Initially I have taken the task of providing the videos for your AE municipal examination, which will be conducted, for which the notification is said that it will be coming. Let us say when it comes, let us not worry, let us just prepare for the examinations, and in the next video we are going to see them. And if you have as I said, BCC structure, okay, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, support my channel, because I have started my channel very recently. We are going to discuss many things, probably the examination from all your examination point of view, academic or competitive examination point of view. We will take one subject by one subject. Initially we have taken engineering materials, okay. So subscribe and share to your friends on all the social media platforms. So wish you all the best. Let us meet in the next video.